All right. Hey, everybody. My name is Bill Connelly. I'm a vice president with an amazing company called Financial Education Services. I'm just quickly putting this video together so that I can share with you what we got going on, how we can help your clients if you're a real estate agent, mortgage broker, car dealer, solar panel salesman. We work with you directly to help your uncredit-worthy clients become credit worthy. So if you're sitting there, right, and you have a bunch of people, I know I talk to people all the time who have clients coming into their office, they're all excited, they want to buy a car, they want to buy a house, whatever it is. If you're a mortgage broker, they want to refinance, but they have that poor credit score, then you definitely want to help them to get their score up, because then they can come back to you. They can be eligible to get qualified to get approved. And that's what you want to do. That puts more money in your pocket, right? Imagine if our company, if our services can help you make 1 or 2 extra sales a month and grow that into more people once you see the success. Well, this company is FES, Financial Education Services. If you click on the top right where it says BBB, Better Business Bureau, it'll take you right to our page with them that shows you that. You can see my name is Bill Connelly, Vice President title. There's my email address. There's my phone number. And if you're on my website and it's fesbill.com, fesbill.com. If you're on my site, right, what you want to do is you want to click on the products. The products page will open up. Now, these are some of the services that we offer. The FES Protection Plan membership on the far left is where people get enrolled to get their credit straight. Included in that protection plan is LifeLock, but if they just want to get LifeLock privately, they can do that here as well. If someone's looking to add some positive trade lines to their credit report, we offer a secure credit card they can sign up for. And we have this cool thing over on the far right called Credit My Rent. And what that does is for people who have a mortgage who are being reported to the credit bureaus on a monthly basis, we now have the ability to do that with your rent. All right, so we'll go to your renter or whoever you're renting from, and we can go all the way back to 2 years, 1 year, or starting today. So that plan is really cool. What you want to do is click on the learn more for each one to learn about them. But when you have customers or clients coming to you that needs credit restoration, if you want to send them to fesbill.com, they can talk to me directly, or they can go right here to the FES Protection Plan membership and click on learn more. This tells you all about our services. We have a really cool little video over here on the right. We give credit restoration. That's the credit education. Credit builder is for some people that don't have credit looking to build their credit. We include a credit attorney with this package. Smart Credit is like Credit Karma, but on steroids. We give people a debt zero program, how to pay their debt down to zero. You know, just like a financial planner would do, to tell you how to do that. LifeLock is included in this package. It's really cool. So it's included identity protection that people need these days. Financial lockbox is like a security box in a bank where you're going to put all your financial information in a password protected area. You can give that login information to one of your dear friends or family members. Heaven forbid they need to get in there and find your finances, they can. Life insurance. Now, this is only for agents. So if you want to be an agent with us, you want to work with us, you want to keep all this in-house, meaning when you have clients come into your office that can't get approved, you work with them. You can be an agent right here with this company. There's no training or anything like that. And we don't actually fix the credit as salespeople. Our company fixes the credit. So you can get anywhere from up to $100,000 in free term life insurance by being an agent with us. We have a travel portal where people can go in and get discounted travel. We have a My Care plan, which is a will, trust, power of attorney, which is really powerful because you can get that for like $600 to $3,000 from an attorney. It's included for free. Discount shopping portal, like most people shop online anyway and get discount money back, so you can get that with us. The YFL Mint, Family Mint, it's where we help kids from the ages of 8 to 18 on the matters of their finances. We go into schools, we teach them, we educate them about credit and finances, and we also offer scholarships to kids to help them get into colleges. We have an RX discount card as well. So these are the products that are included inside our protection plan membership, all for one low price, one monthly price. Now, you would think this could be anywhere from $300 a month, $500 a month, whatever, but it's $89 a month. 99 application fee, $89 a month, $188 to get started, $89 a month. No contract. People can cancel at any time. But how the process works, once someone enrolls as a customer, they go to the fesprotectionplan.com. They'll get an email telling them to do that. They put in their email and the last four of their social, and then they will start the process of setting up all these programs right here. The first one at the top left is credit repair, credit restoration. They click on that, they follow the directions, and then what happens is our company does a one-time hard pull on their credit report, looking at all three credit bureaus. Our company will then make dispute forms for them, one for each credit bureau, mail them to their house with instructions. The customer has to add a picture of their driver's license and social and add it on the back of all three of the dispute forms. Mail them to the separate bureaus. I would do it certified, so it's time stamped. They have 30 to 45 days to review that, get back with the original debtor, and validate everything 100%. If they can't do that in a timely manner or anything was done wrong by the Fair Credit Reporting Credit Act of 1971, it has to be removed and can't come back on. All right, once the customer gets back the information from the credit bureaus, they highlight anything that's still negative on their credit report, any inquiries, anything they want, and they mail it back to our company. Once again, the instructions are in the paperwork. And then our company will update their files, make new dispute forms, and keep the process going until the customer's happy. So that is the process of how we help people to fix their credit. But this is the FES Protection Plan membership. You can check out the video on the right. You can see all the products here. Like I said, we also include people can go and get that secure credit card to add a trade line on their credit report. People can also do the Credit My Rent and add that rent history on their credit report as well to get their score up. So we have many ways to help people get their score up. But this is an amazing opportunity for you as a realtor, car dealer, mortgage broker, solar panel person to send people to me directly. Let me help them, work with them, get their score up, and then directly back to you so you can make that sale you normally wouldn't make. If you do want to become an agent, you can click on business opportunity up here at the top. If you're looking on a cell phone, there's probably like 3 lines on the right. Here's the business opportunity that you can get involved with. It's a one-time buy-in, $89 a month as well because you get all the services like a customer. But we do offer that life insurance up to $100,000 with no medical exam. Once you have 5 people underneath you, whether they're customers or agents and they're paying, your services are 100% free. And now your business is free as well. So you want to check all this out. If you want to talk to me directly, here's all my contact information. Bill Connelly, Vice President, bill@thecreditmentors.com, 609-442-0922. Check out this whole website. Go through all the links at the top, company, products, business opportunity, the YFL. And if you definitely want to take action with me, either by referring customers to me, that will be awesome. Or if you want to work directly with me as a business partner, and then keep all these customers in-house to you, get them up, get them running, maybe offer them some kind of special if they fix their credit through you or through me, and then come back to you to make that final sale. So once again, this has been Bill Connelly. I appreciate you watching this video, taking the time. This is going out to all the realtors, car dealers, mortgage brokers, solar panel people, all the people out there that deal with people that have to have a certain score to get approved. All right, so once again, thank you. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to hearing from you.